Okay guys, I needed to do this video because I just got my BMW Mini Cooper today. It's red, black, and white stripes. Yes it is. Look at those headlights. They are just amazing. Sexy. Look at that chrome right there. That chrome. Let's go all the way around the car. You have the sexy side of the car right here. Yes, you do. Look at that. And let's enter the car right now. I can't get the door open. There we go, right there. Yes. All right. Now, we have the inside of the car. Right here. You see that inside of this car? Now, here's the steering wheel. It's a little blurry, need to get it back in focus. Yes. Here's the steering wheel. Looks mighty sexy, mighty sexy. The speedometer. Speedometer. Then, it's an automatic. There's the emergency brake. It's a 2-door. Yeah. Got my air conditioning up in her. Oh, dang. It even has a navigational system. I mean, for real, though. Navigation. You know how expansive those are? And here is my FM radio right here. My FM radio. Then it has a back seat. Fits two back seats. And if you haven't noticed, it is a convertible. Yeah, it's a convertible. Well, I'm not at home yet, but I just wanted you guys to see my new car. I'll finish this at home. All right. Thank you for watching. Yeah. My beautiful car. Oh my God. What is this? There's that other little ugly boy. Oh Lord Jesus.
Hello.
Help me. I hope you enjoyed my car, because I sure will. Have a nice day.